నమస్తే అండి, నా పేరు నరేష్. వెల్కమ్ టు పిఎన్కే తెలుగు ఛానల్. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ఫైండింగ్ PFUAN number with the details of employee. So it's very simple process. Uh, let's start. Just type UAN login in your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. UAN login. You can find many links. Just click on here EPFO for employees. Click on that link and you will be redirected to EPFO website, and here you can see member UAN and online service link, and click on that link to get into UAN member portal website. So this is EPFO UAN member portal. EPFO means Employee Provident Fund, and UAN is your universal account number given by your HR. Otherwise you can find in your UAN portal using your employee details. So to know your UAN number, just click on here, know your UAN. You can see know your UAN. Click on that link, and here is the process. Know your UAN. Here enter your mobile number, which is mandatory here, and enter the captcha shown on your screen. Captcha will be captcha is not fixed, it will changes to every online process. Okay, enter as per your captcha and click on resend OTP button. Submitting your request, please wait. You have to wait till the process is processed. Here you can see OTP sent successfully to the mobile number. This is a number registered with your PF account. So and you can check some are with into marks. It's a confidential, that's why it will not show complete phone number. Then you will receive an OTP after sending this message. Here you have to enter your OTP received on your mobile and enter the captcha again shown on your screen, and click on validate OTP. If you not get the OTP, and you can also request for resend OTP here. Reason option, resend OTP. If you did not get any OTP, then you can request it again. So here you see something went wrong. Please re-log in or refresh the page. It's an error message sometimes you will get while finding your UAN number. Simply ignore it and again submit your request. Otherwise you can again go to UAN PF account, UAN member portal, and again request for OTP. After again submitting our request, see, you can see OTP validation is successful. After verifying your OTP, it gives the message OTP validation is successful. After that, you will be seeing name, date of birth and Aadhar number. You have to enter your name as per your PF account and your date of birth, and you can also select 3 options, that is Aadhar or PAN card or member ID. Anything you can select. Here employee selected only Aadhar, so he entered the Aadhar number and also captcha shown, and click on show my UAN button after entering all the fields. Submitting your request, please wait. See, after successful submission, you will be seeing your UAN number. Here is your PF UAN number. Click on OK, and now you have to activate your UAN, and also after activation you will receive a password. With that password you can log in and do the claims and all those. For activating your UAN, you can find a link. We have also created a video for this activation of UAN number. You can see in description. Okay, see, 3 words to learn from our topic, from our video. You will get 3 words which will be useful for your exams, all your competitive exams, for improving your vocabulary. These are very important. Just see, agile. Agile means moving quickly and lightly. Agile, AZILE. Agile means moving quickly and lightly, means చురుకైన ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ అవ్వడాన్ని, త్వరగా ఆలోచించడాన్ని ఎజైల్ అంటారు. ఎజైల్ మైండ్ అంటారు కదా. అండ్ నర్డీ, NERDY, నర్డీ మీన్స్ నాట్ అట్రాక్టివ్, ఆకర్షణీయంగా లేని దాన్ని నర్డీ అంటారు. అండ్ ఇన్వారియబుల్ ఇన్ ఎన్ ఇన్వారబుల్ మేనర్, అంటే ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్ మేనర్ అన్నమాట, స్థిరంగా ఉండడాన్ని ఇన్వారియబుల్ అంటారు. వేరియబుల్ అంటే ఏంటి, చేంజ్ అయిపోవడాన్ని వేరియబుల్ అంటారు. ఇన్వారియబుల్ అంటే స్థిరంగా ఉండడాన్ని ఇన్వారియబుల్ అంటారు. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ 1 and all.